Hello.
Leave keys.
Baba ni akari Olúwa o. Ilẹ̀ aṣú, ilẹ̀ amọ́. Baba ti fa mi lọ́wọ́ sókè náà. Make we party all night long. Nísìnyí mo ti lówó, nísìnyí mo ti lọ́lá. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ní kí mama dúpẹ́.
Yeah, signing up with this song. High Vibration by Lighter featuring Neramal. Good evening, Ekiti. Good evening, Nigeria. Good evening, world. You know it's the time for you to listen to your king. You know the program is Weekend Vibes with your host Isaac King Deron. My name is Isaac King Deron. You call me the king of Mike, you call me the dark horse, and the ladies love to call me the sexy dish for a reason.
I say na girls and you say na jazz. Just because you know my past. See the way the body bounce. Every day we get to cash.
Harris was your day. Harris the B. How they go? How they be? Today is Saturday. I know the program comes on Saturday night. Yes. And it's Weekend Vibes. The vibes with the vibe master himself, the king of Mike himself, Isaac King. When you call me the king of Mike, you call me the dark horse, and the ladies love to call me the sexy dish. One parallel over MIC. How you not day now? How you not day now? It's a cool, it's a calm Saturday night, blazing from the capital of city of fountain of knowledge. I don't get to more Ekiti, yeah, Nigeria. Now tell me about how you did be now the whole and Ben, how the party. Hope you finish the rice. How the sure you finish the sermon. Go and tell us the party. Benusi is allowed, but my brothers the Benusi try to the caution no matter Benusi poison to avoid story that touches. You know now. You know how we do it on the Weekend Vibes? We talk, and we put on with music. But we listen to something. Yeah, this is a cool jam by Victor Edi. Okwe ni Omologo. Omologo le mi amo ting. Victor Edi, oh yeah. You know when these gentle people know they call it. They call it ambassador. You live up with this man. I swear to God, come out. I will beat you. I don't face this.
Hear me, I'm all loco. They want to try, but I say them no. Say I got the God and it's very big. Oh. If them one bites me, I come out their teeth. Oh. Now who be their meat? Oh. Hear me, I'm all loco. They want to try, but I say them no. Say I got the God and it's very big. Oh. If the one bites me, I come on.
Yeah, everybody get God and God is very big. How they be? Yeah, something happened this week. Yeah, that was on Monday 22nd. It's very sad event. You know, as I always talk, whatever you are doing today, do and well, because you don't know when it will be your last day. Yeah, they say live every day as it's your last, because you are not promised tomorrow. That was the words of Akon. You are not promised tomorrow. And on Monday 22nd day of November 2021, we lost Babatunde Omidina, popularly known as Baba Sure. It was tragic, it was so sad, it was emotional going through the video that the son posted with the cops. I'll be like, that is the end. You see, as the guy they do the video, she Baba Sure know anything again. That's the end though. So whatever you do for this life, oh my brother, my sister, anytime. If you pay, that's all they talk about. People say this, Isaac King Deron, you like to talk negative. It's not about being negative, it's not about being pessimistic. Now the reality, Roman Coroni, as I talk if you see tomorrow King Deron don't pay, no be saying our cause. One day people go, we only pray for long life with prosperity, and the long life we don't know when this sound will come, say, oh yeah, Alaye they come. So whatever you do, live today as your best. So na that tribute to him, tribute to Baba Sule. As in, if you know sabi that man, I beg, who you come sabi for the Nollywood? Me, I don't know. As in kekere mo ti n gbọ́ ẹ̀, as in the man, if you don see am for film, you go just dey laugh. Before even the start dey talk, pé o mọ̀ ká ọ̀tọ̀ ni kò rẹ́rìn pé ó sọ̀rọ̀ pa lẹ́rìn. Tó bá yẹ kó ti rí báyìí mo kàn rẹ́rìn ni. Rest on legend, rest on. Peace.
But I said I know.
Back to the matter. You know, say last week we talk about relationship matter. So this week, what you want to talk about again?
Now who be the
Isaac King Drone. Let me talk. No, call me the king of mics. What you hear my Bible? I got to talk. So today, what I want to talk about now, living your own life. Oh, bro. Living your own life. Well, ask person where they there you say, are you living your own life? See, ma tell you. It is very, very important to live your own life. As in, are you living your own life, or you are living as a carbon copy or photocopy of somebody else? Share you grab. As in, wetin I try to talk say, the life wey you dey live, shey na your own life, or you dey replicate, you dey duplicate. Yeah, which other English? You dey imitate. Come back on that because we call dry. Oh yeah, Victor Edi wa come logo. So we go just use this song. We just dey on that. So I go just dey talk. So you grab. You know there are some things you need to decide for yourself. The moment your life is the mirror image of somebody else, my brother, my sister, there's a problem. It's good to see other people. That's why they call them, man. That's why they call them. You say you get role model. Good. If you say this guy is my role model, you get mentor. But don't be say your life is dependent on that. Okay, more even come out the issue of a role model or be mentorship. Nowadays, we use of nowadays. Now other people's life where they live. Now the truth be that. Lágbájá ti ṣe kíní, èmi gan gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe kíní yìí o. Lágbájá wey do am, you know how you dey do am. That guy don get that cloth. Me say I must buy that cloth. That guy don dey use that phone. Me say I must get that phone. E good. But shey you know the misadvice take get am. On top person, you go give yourself headache. You go come dey depressed. You go dey think say I must get this thing. Lágbájá don do wedding. Me say I wan do wedding. No try am o. You start pressurize your boyfriend. My friend boyfriend bought her a phone. He bought her kinikan. He took her for shopping. He took her to kini. They had shawarma and pizza with burger. Now sir, you start to talk. Meanwhile, you self know say your guy say no get too much. You start to pressurize am. If you can't do, you are not responsible enough. You start to speak English. Sister, if you not responsible, what you want to talk about your own papa? So now the truth be that living your whole life, decide say this thing, though it's good to appreciate good things. You see your friend get this one. I like this thing though. Admire am, you like am. Get clean mind. Say don't be say you start envy am because if you dey wish person bad, see no fit happen to you. Now the truth be that, but you go down see the person. This person don't get this thing though. I like am. Just on a moderate level. If you like am, you work towards it. Not that you put yourself under unnecessary pressure. Not because your friend is telling you that my boyfriend bought me this, my boyfriend took me out yesterday I was in there, yesterday we lodged in this hotel, yesterday I had this, yesterday I drank this. You self, the thing will enter your head. Meanwhile, the person where they tell you this, she don't tell you when the boyfriend give her slap. Wow. You don't tell you when the guy disgrace embarrass her for public. And even when he carry her go, she don't tell you say maybe she do something wrong for them, make the guy light her. She no go tell you that one. Now the good side, the icing part, now she dey tell you. You say they put that thing for your head. You say you want live your own life. My sister, efele on your own lower. Because of that, you go to pressurize your guy. Say you must do this thing. Live your whole life. Share you grab. And you two guys. My guy don't do this thing. Me say more get down. Dear na easy, jeje. Time. You see, you know this life, everything at time. If that thing are your own, you're gonna get it at the right time. Now be the thing. If the thing is meant for you, you're gonna get it at the right time. That's all the truth. That one no me say me no also. Tekpamoshe, but no. Tekpamoshe keep the faith alive, keep hustling, but at the same time try to like get peace, try to like give yourself peace of mind. No be say you go put yourself under pressure of wetin no dey. So more we listen to A God. This one na the song of Kizz Daniel Ayinde for that EP wey you call this one na A God, Barnabas. Isaac King Deron still very much in this on MRC. Yes, you call me the king of my, you call me the dark horse, and the program is Weekend Vibes. Let me sound official small. I dey come jare, oya Kizz Daniel kọrin.
Father in heaven, about time to take over. You don't take away I trouble you. Back down to Lucifer. I not to follow pastor, they be for mom. Father na father. See me I don't busy my call. I won't focus on you, on God.
Wetin Kizz Daniel talk? He talk say he get sense, he get God. Me say at the talk and I get sense, I get God. So why I go to disturb myself? You get God now, wetin? Why you call it leave your? Why you call it disturb yourself? So the motivation I don't give you, you know how they talk and say me no be motivational speaker. I will just tell you the team. Point and black, point and key. I go point the matter, clear you the matter. And today wetin I dey tell you say make you live your own life. Ẹgbẹ́ ayé títí yín. Ẹ má gba ayé ọ̀rẹ́ ọkùnrin obìnrin ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gba yín wí. Me don talk my own ọkùnrin máa sọ pé ẹjọ́ bọ̀bọ̀ ìkúkú pọ̀. Well, I talk for a living. Tí wàá ti rí tí wàá ti jẹ́ journey, I talk for a living. So make that you know chicken. The program is still Weekend Vibes and my name is Isaac King Deron. You call me the king of Mike, you call me the dark horse. And the ladies, they love to call me the sexy dish for a reason. If you want to find out why they call me sexy dish, contact me in Amo Tag. You go know why they call me sexy dish. Don't forget what you don't talk today. Living your own life. My brother, my sister, live your own life. Oshokoko. Very, 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 very important. So I hope say you enjoy today's program. I hope say the song enter your body. I hope say the thing enter your body. Don't forget what you don't talk today. Yes. If you enjoy today's program, why not catch up with me next week? Same time, same station. But I been came out me say that's it they do for my body. I hope so you don't get one or two things to where you don't learn. So as always, the song while I use sign out now, Different Conversation by Lighter and Sheyi Vibes. Yeah. I love this song for a reason. I love her.
Lighter,
Olúwa ló ṣe yí vibes.
I know they rush and me will tell you one. Now only me walk up on.
Sure you get. You say now only waka come, now only me waka come.
All about me in the shakasha. My girlfriend fine past Nasha. So all about me in the shakasha.
I think I can tell with my neighbor. So tell me if I go wrong. If I'm tabanson, camarino, trench kid, that's where I belong. Make I ask you like that, what you live for?
Sweet melodies, what I live for. Make my people happy, what I live for. Make mama happy, make she live long. Oluwa lo sheyi, what you live for.
I can't give up, that's what I live for. Regardless, I have to live on. Kini mami maje, that's what I
So the Lighter and Oluwa she don't talk what they live for. Me, Isaac King Deron, what I live for to be the best version of myself. I am the only best version of myself. I can't be someone else. You listen to me, what do you live for? Until I come your way again, my name is Isaac King Deron. You call me the king of Mike, you call me the dark horse, and the ladies have to call me the sexy dish. Contact me on 09034665985, 09034665985. On Facebook, Isaac King Deron. Until I come your way again, be good. I love you sincerely.
for. Regardless, I feel it for. Kill money, my jet, everybody for.